الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنما المؤمنون إخوة فأصلحوا بين أخويكم واتقوا الله لعلكم ترحمون. Prominent President of today's program, highly qualified judges and TRR. Today, I want to speak some words on the topic of concept of unity and brotherhood in Islam. Respected listeners, the importance of brotherhood in Islam cannot be overlooked. There are many ahadiths relating to the fact that Muslims are a single united body. Each part is responsible for the other. According to one such hadith, Muslims are like one body. If one of the parts is injured or hurt, the rest of the body feels that pain. The brotherhood of Muslims is a very deep and wide concept that guarantees the safety and the well-being of the Islamic society at large. Islam being a complete way of life, it promotes a healthy, wealthy and a well-disciplined lifestyle in every sense of the word. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala declared that Muslims as brethren to each other. As the Quran says, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنما المؤمنون إخوة فأصلحوا بين أخويكم واتقوا الله لعلكم ترحمون. Surah Hujurat, chapter number 49 and number 10. All believers are the brothers. Therefore, seek reconciliation between your two brothers and fear Allah, so that you may be released with mercy. The Prophet Muhammad also is reported to have said, Al-Muslimu akhul Muslim, la yadlimuhu wa la yuslim, wa man kana fi hajati akhi, kana Allahu fi hajati, wa man farraja an muslimin kurbatan, farraja Allahu anhu kurbatan min kurabati yawm al-qiyamah, wa man satara musliman, satarahu Allahu yawm al-qiyamah. Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 2262. A Muslim is brother of another Muslim, so he should not oppress him, nor should he hand him over to an oppressor. Whoever fulfills the need of his brother, Allah will fulfill his needs. Whoever brought his brother out of a discomfort, Allah will bring him out of a discomfort of the day of resurrection. Whoever screams a Muslim, Allah will scream him on the day of judgment. Dear audience, it is a matter of great concern that the situation of Gaza is no more hidden. In spite of this, we are not able to help them or to show the brotherhood towards them. The horrifying images of Gaza and the screaming of the innocent children shake us from within us. Because the people of Gaza are being seized in a jail and crying out for help. The land of Gaza is certainly bleeding in the relentless Israeli attacks. They are watching their houses and dead bodies covered in a thick layer of debris. They are dying out of thirst and hunger because of not having food and water. The injured people are losing their lives because of not having medication. The bombs are continuously being dropped on their family members and innocent children. They being filled with tears are gazing their dying children and beloved ones. They are calling someone like Salahuddin Ayyubi and Mu'tasim Billah to come with a flying color, but all their calls in vain. The massacre is going from bad to worse day to day. Over 13,000 people have been murdered, but we are keep watching it like a little spectator. We, particularly the entire Arab countries, today fell a prey to the Wazir. They have been entangled in the tyrannical powers and the confederacies. They are forced to support them unwillingly, are threatened just to be like a silent torture. Let us say, though we are in majority, but we have no value. We are alive, but with no soul. We have body, but no heart. We have fat, but no power. We have eyes, but no tears. We have manners, but no brotherhood. Dear audience, at this moment, instead of showing brotherhood and finding out a way to release the Pacific Gaza people from their plight, we are indulged in our own businesses. We are Muslim, in every small thing we are divided. Every small thing we are divided. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala really has warned us. He has warned us about disputes ummah. If it spin around you, what will happen? You will lose your power. Our might as an ummah. Today, we have 2 billion Muslims on the globe, but we cannot agree to sort of flag. Why? Because everyone is a big sheikh on his own, and the sheikhs are fighting and recording each one. Each one is calling the other kafir. Wallah, it's reality. What is happening? Why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَأَطِيعُوا اللَّهَ وَرَسُولَهُ وَلَا تَنَازَعُوا فَتَفْشَلُوا وَتَذْهَبَ رِيحُكُمْ وَاصْبِرُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ مَعَ الصَّابِرِينَ. Surah Al-Fat, chapter number 8 and number 46. Follow Allah and follow His Rasul, and do not dispute with one another, because it will result in your total failure and the going away, snatching away after might as a ummah. So, if you want to succeed in both the world, you create brotherhood in your society, not only for this day, but all over years, and brotherhood not of words, but of acts and deeds. At last, I would say that on one hand, Islam teaches brotherhood among Muslims, and on the other hand, Islam emphasizes to maintain good relations with all people irrespective of religion. With these few words, I wind up my talk with the quotation of Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala. He says, if your brother is doing evil to you, you should favor him more than he is good to you. If he cut off relation with you, you should engraft yourself to him even more strongly than before. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Jazakumullah.